Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, she's Pretty Red. Welcome to my channel, and welcome if you guys are new and you are returning. So you guys, today your girl is in nesting mode. I have a load of clothes inside of the dryer right now, drying, and I have a load of clothes inside of this basket, you guys, for me to fold up. And the clothes that I'm actually folding and washing, you guys, are, well, the clothes that I have right now is Phoenix old baby clothes, and the clothes that I have in the dryer right now is clothes that was given to us. So grateful and thankful. So I just need to fold these clothes, organize these clothes, and just get them situated because I'm so excited and anxious, you guys. I'm actually 35 weeks. I don't need clothes or anything for baby. The only thing baby and I have to get is like Pampers, wipes, socks, maybe a sponge for bottle cleaning, bottle holder, little odds and ends like that. That's all we need for baby, you guys, and we'll probably go get that sometime maybe this week. I'm not sure, but I just want to come and let you guys know what we're going to be doing in today's video. So we are going to be doing some folding, you guys. If you guys are expecting and you got baby clothes you need to fold, y'all, let's fold them together and get organized, y'all. So that's all I'm gonna be doing, just folding clothes. So just come along with me and let's get started. Y'all, this right here was actually AJ shirt. I'm gonna insert a picture of him right here, y'all, with this shirt on. This was his shirt, and Phoenix never wore it, I don't think. Yeah, he never wore this shirt. So I'm definitely gonna put the baby in this. This is so cute. You saying hey, Lena?
Yeah.
You say hello.
Hey, Mona.
Say hello. Let them see it. Come down. Let them see. Come down. Squat down. Ooh. Your mommy getting ready for the baby?
Yeah.
You ready for the baby?
Yeah. Put it, Mama. Put it. Ow. My baby.
Yeah, I love these zippers that actually zip from the top.
Mama.
So cute. He never wore this either, y'all. Are you taking it off?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Mama.
So I am done folding up my baby clothes. The rest of these clothes, unfortunately, you guys, are my children clothes. So we are done for right now, y'all. I am super excited. Like I said, I have more clothes inside the dryer. I'm just honestly tired right now. Yeah, so with that being said, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put these clothes up right now and get it to where I need it to be, honestly. And then the rest, I'm gonna get baby to help me out with it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video.